Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to hide your photos with Touch ID and password. All of you are requested to you please watch full video till end and learn about that method step by step. So guys, without wasting time, let's start the video. Firstly, open photos and select the pictures you want to hide. As well as you can see appears on screen, tap on select. For example, I have selected 3 pictures, but you can do more. Now tap on share sign, bottom of the left corner, scroll down and tap on hide, and again tap hide 3 photos and go to albums. Scroll down. As you can see here, hidden, tap on it. Now tap on select and mark all photos. Now tap share sign. And copy photos and go back to home screen. Tap on notes and long press on screen and tap on paste here. All pictures now visible here. Now tap on 3 dots top of the right corner and you can see here lock. Tap on it. Now create password and verify password and hint. Now tap on done. Locked notes, tap on OK. Tap it now. As you can see, this notes is locked. Go back. Open notes. Tap on notes. As you can see, this note is locked. Tap on view note. As well as you can see, he is asking touch ID or password. And then you can see your photos is logged. That's it. After watching this video, hope the helpful for you. Don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need any help about iPhone, please comment me. I really appreciate for any support. Thanks for watching my video. Take care and bye.